Have you ever heard of someone say, "A picture tells 1,000 words"? Well, you should have received one of these by now. And illustrating your book helps the reader picture the story more clearly.
Some books are really easy to remember because of their famous illustrations. Do you recognise any of these? I bet you do.
This is also a really fun way for you to show people the magic that's in your head.
Your front cover needs to be one of the most special pictures. Think of it like a window that gives us a little glimpse of what's inside.